Hello my people, we are back with another vlog, and you see in the title for today we have some wonderful, well, we have a wonderful, I should say, adventure ahead of us. We are heading to Seven Sisters Waterfall. My first time going there. It's not my first waterfall in Grenada though, but it's my first time going to this one. So new experiences are always great. And apparently it's a bit of a hike to it, so we should get some nice bits of nature, you know, scenic scenery, all that other stuff, and it should be a lovely day. Right now we're driving there, and then well, she's currently eating.
Hi.
Yes.
Best doubles I've ever had.
Yes. We managed to get some doubles by chance. We went to rotis, there was no roti, so we got doubles instead. So yeah, once we get there, I'll check back in with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you watch my videos and don't subscribe, you're a weirdo. Start subscribing and let go.
And how are you guys doing? Well, welcome to the estate of the place. Oh, okay. So on your way back, you guys wish to stop by and have a cold drink.
Okay.
Get a drink of the choices here.
Thank you.
Alright, and I also do a shoe clean service.
Okay.
Which you can give me a tip of
Take off the mud from the boot.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you guys.
Very nice.
Enjoy the trail. Be
Thank you.
careful.
Will do.
Mud, that's all, but
It's
fun, real fun.
We are out here. The journey has begun to Seven Sisters, aka, what did he say it was called? St. Margaret's? St. Margaret's. I don't know it to be called St. Margaret's, but I don't know. Things in Grenada have multiple names. But so far, it's a bit muddy, slippery, so got to pay attention along the way. Sure, go ahead, man.
Excuse me.
Got our sticks. We're gonna enjoy this. Apparently it's like 30 minutes, 40-minute hike. So we'll see everything along the way.
This is what we needed. It's like that type. Okay. I slide backwards. It should. We're going to. It says it's going to be harder. I know.
about 5 minutes or 5-10 minutes into the hike. It's not the most difficult hike, but it's a bit tricky. And if you're not paying attention, you could easily fall and bash a caca. So, and the ground's a bit wet as well from, I think it must have rained up here last night or something, or this morning. So, just keeping our eyes peeled and making our way down there. But so far, so good.
It's like a happy dream. And if you want to follow my footsteps too.
Take the lead in this one. It's a bit slippery, that one.
These sticks are great. The end of it is kind of like, it doesn't have a defined trail. It's just like trees that are kind of spread apart. So you have to figure out where the end of that is. They have like a few little trees with markers on it. Yeah, how do you get there? It was our first hike. It was quite big, like long trail. It was like 4 hours. Oh.
Wow.
You know how nature gives you energy? Like, we didn't feel like
Yeah.
yes, indeed. I'll see if I can find a cinnamon tree. It looks similar with the bark. Like that white texture.
How you doing? Good, good. Trying to survive.
Nice. Be safe on the way up.
It's getting real treacherous now.
But also the trail wasn't this trail. It was way less because it was around COVID time, so no one had been here for a while. It was very overgrown. I think they come and cut back some areas.
I can see why they were tired now.
It's nice that it's still like
very, very humid in here. Very humid. The hike is getting a little more treacherous as time goes on. There's a lot of like steps and stuff and rocks and things that can mess you up, but I wouldn't say it's extremely difficult, and it's probably like not probably more accessible than most hikes you want to go on, so it's pretty good. It's all right. Got a little puddle here.
yes, I love camping. He's a little bit like, he has more of a healthy fear of nature because he's from the country. Yeah. So they had like, what is it? What the heck?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like we live in Florida, but we're from the Midwest.
Don't step here or else your whole foot will sink.
Don't step there where the stick is. Don't step where the stick is. That's like quicksand kind of mud.
In the heart of the jungle of Grenada, where there's lions, tigers and bears.
I do not like him.
Not really, there's no animals in here. Just lizards, mosquitoes, fat ass mosquitoes. And
Bugs and the
you know, yeah, general bugs, but it's okay as long as you keep moving and there isn't, you know, standing still for long. they ain't really bothering you too tough, but it's nice, man. It's chill, it's chill. They got some high wire thing they should have. I know, I just don't know.
This is where the thing is.
They were gonna set up a high zip line, but I don't know why they made it out of wood. That's kind of crazy to make it out of wood in a rainforest. And if I zoom in a little bit, you can see it properly. It would have been cool, but
Yeah, they did it with like metal,
yeah.
bamboo or something.
Whoever the operations manager is, fired.
Guest house, tree house. Zip line to the main house. No, for real though. You know, if I finish the sentence I was saying earlier because of the people, but there's a guy that does mushrooms, like medicinal and organic mushrooms in an indoor farm in the town in Grenada. So that's where I get my mushrooms I know where it's safe. Right. Here we have a short right turn go around to get to the actual spot, but basically this is the road. Woo! Careful.
Wow. Whole foot in there. I ain't got no socks on, so it's cool. I did that on purpose. It really.
It's definitely cleared up a lot from the last time I came here. I don't know if all that. You could see the waterfall straight away.
Made it here. It wasn't that bad.
No, it was actually way shorter.
Yes, it was pretty straightforward. Very cool up by the falls compared to down in the jungle. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy it now. Cool off. Take some pictures, take some videos, of course, and have a merry old time. Everybody's out here doing their content thingies, enjoying. That's my boots there. They got really wet because I decided to step down into the pits of hell. But overall, that was a nice hike and I'll definitely do it again. I think it took about maybe 20-30 minutes maximum. And obviously you can hear the falls in the background going crazy. Yeah, it's wild, man. Dope, 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 dope. So we walk down to the pool now, and right here by it, looks crazy, amazing. The world's there stretching, everybody's getting content, videos and whatnot. It's a nice little rock structure someone made right here, kind of dope. Zoom in. Yeah, they piled the rocks over each other. Very creative. And that's the waterfalls, man. Ferocious, but beautiful all at the same time. It's crazy. And then it heads down. First battery is officially dead. We're now onto the second battery. As I was saying, there's a nice like second pool over there in which the waterfall goes down, yeah, into another pool. But yeah, man, it's dope here. Very, very nature vibes. I don't even know if you can hear me over the power of the falls, but absolutely incredible. I just realized that.
Huh?
I said, that's a drop there.
Yeah.
I just realized that while I was filming. I was like, what the?
Very interesting about ignorance.
Jesus.
So where I stepped, my foot slipped a bit, and I was like, can you imagine?
Yeah, I thought that.
Busting your head and then pitching off the side there.
Man, that's wild. Okay, so we are now getting ready to head back to the car. We had an amazing time down here. Amazing waterfall. The water was extremely cold, but refreshing. And yeah, obviously nature vibes is always a good vibe. Got different little rock pools all over the place if you want to just chill. And yeah, it's been a good day, man. It's been a good day. I have enjoyed my time at Seven Sisters, aka St. Margaret's. And yeah, we're gonna do this trail back, man, and see how long it takes. Shouldn't be too bad. It hasn't rained or anything, so obviously the path isn't as wet as it was coming down. And yeah, we're gonna see. She just finished shooting her reel. There you go. There you go. Are you ready for the hike back up? Indeed. Okay, we are taking an alternative route back to the beginning, aka the car. So we're taking the lower route next to the river, which is right here, flowing next to us. This one doesn't seem as treacherous. It seems a little more, you know, hiker friendly. But we shall see as we continue to venture. But alright. The steps of hell. These steps look so like easier on the way down, but on the way up they are actually quite steep, and as you can see it's quite treacherous with some little makeshift steps. So it's lucky I got long legs, because otherwise this would be very difficult. And I see some old people doing that, so I gotta respect it, because they were flying up here. Let's see how everybody else back there is doing. Oh, they're still taking their time. Nobody's moving yet. I think they're getting their energy together. I suppose I'm going to be the leader on this one. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. You know, I suppose the years of being an athlete pay off in these sorts of situations. So my body is used to torture and torment for the, I don't know what I was gonna say, but okay, I think these steps are getting to me now. Okay, long legs, big strides, up, up we go. It's like it doesn't end. I dropped my stick as well, Jesus. It's like it's never ending. Okay, we're gonna beast all the way through. It's always harder on stairs when you stop and take a breather and start going again. Just keep going. What did Dory say in Finding Nemo? Just keep swimming. So we just keep going. Okay, I actually think I left them. Okay. They're nowhere to be seen. Okay, here they come. They're making their way up pretty quickly. See these sticks? This stick came in handy, boy. Needed. But this is probably the hardest part of the trip, to be fair. I don't think anything else is as tough as this. Yeah, they made it. No accidents. Yeah, once you start going, like if you stop, I think it's worse.
Yeah. That's how that it burns.
That's this tree on the way up, and as you can see, oh, maybe you can't see where it's broken off from the other tree there, and has strategically landed on this here. So it makes a little thing.
Any
I
specific?
don't really ask other couples. I don't.
Any specific country in Africa that you're interested in?
We've heard Gambia is nice. But we do want to do Egypt.
Yep.
Egypt is like on our bucket list, really. Yeah.
I've been to Egypt, but I went when I was young, so I didn't really appreciate it. So I definitely need to go again, but
Something took a bite out of this gingerly.
Is it like this?
It's young. It's young. It's not ready yet. But this is how they think.
Do people use it for soap and stuff too? Yeah.
Soap. Have you ever squeezed one?
No, haven't.
It smells like proper ginger.
okay, I think we're pretty much back now. We just have to climb another set of steps. So we're almost back to the beginning of this trail. And it's been so, still walking. Maybe I was lying. Maybe we got some more steps to go. A couple more steps. But nothing too crazy, I don't think. If you watched this far and haven't subscribed, you're a strange person. Who watches this video for this long and doesn't subscribe or like the video? At this point, you should have liked it already, twice. But hey, who am I to tell you what to do? Do what you feel is right. Okay, I believe we are officially back into civilization after these final bit of steps. I think this is where we started from. Yep, this is where the journey all begun at Mitchell's Bar. Welcome back to civilization. Whew. That was a very fun hike. It wasn't, let me just focus. It wasn't too easy, but it also wasn't too difficult. It was somewhere right in the middle. And obviously, you know, when you've got good company, it also helps time to pass by. I would have liked to have done it with a smaller bag, because this bag is hanging off my shoulder and draining my soul a little bit, but overall it was a very, very enjoyable hike and a nice time at the waterfall. So if you're coming to Grenada or you're from Grenada and haven't been here before, I suggest you check out Seven Sisters, aka St. Margaret's Falls. You won't be disappointed, especially if you like cold water or cold therapy. That water was extremely cold, so I would suggest that you take a trip. And now, I don't know what we're going to do now, but the day is young still, and I'm sure most people are probably tired after that, so you're probably going to chill.
Blue vervain.
Oh, blue vervain.
Yeah.
I feel like I showed them another vlog already.
Well, here you go again. Blue vervain.
This is, wait, does yours name have it at the Idle Farm?
Yeah.
Yeah, I showed them on that one, but more blue vervain. Very good for you.
Blood cleanser, detoxifier, rich in many minerals.
Yes. So,
Growing as a weed.
if your body is nasty, get yourself some blue vervain to sort yourself out. What's on my foot? Nothing.
Mud.
Yeah.